So if you're going to go with EXW, then you're going to need to find a freight forwarder, which is going to manage the entire shipping process for you from your supplier to Amazon. And the best site to go and look for freight forwarders is FreightOS. This is kind of like a search engine and comparing website for freight forwarders. So let's go to FreightOS and look for our freight forwarder. You're going to find a link to FreightOS down below in the description. So click on that link and then it will take you to this site where we're going to click on compare rates now right here. So here first we need to select the origin of our shipment. So let's click on origin right here. Then the type is probably the warehouse factory. Then decide on the country where your shipment comes from. Most likely it's going to be China. And then you want to type in the address of your supplier. So just ask your supplier what that address is. I'm just going to type in Shenzhen right here and click on confirm. And then you have to decide on the destination where the shipment will go to. So we're going to go under type. We're going to select fulfillment center. So this is going to be Amazon warehouses. And the country, obviously you want to select the country you're going to sell your product in. And then under address, you don't know your exact warehouse yet. Later on, when we're going to create the shipping plan, and we're going to see exactly what warehouses we need to send our products to. But for now, it doesn't make a lot of difference in the price. So we're just going to choose a random warehouse right here. And then we're going to click on confirm. So under load, we're going to have to give some more information about the dimensions and the weight of what we are shipping. And here we have to decide on between loose cargo and containers. Now, chances are you're not going to be ordering so many units that you're going to be able to fill an entire container. So we're going to choose loose cargo right here. Then we're going to select calculate by unit type. And under package type, you have the possibility to ship by pallet or by boxes, crates. So you want to ask your supplier or freight forwarder what would be the best option to ship your products with. I'm going to go with boxes and crates for this example. And then we have to type in the amount of boxes that we are sending. So let's say we are sending 10 boxes. And here we have to type in the dimensions of those boxes. And you're going to get all that information from your supplier. So ask your supplier how many boxes will be sent out with your product and what are the dimensions of those boxes. And you want to make sure that you type it in the correct unit right here. So if you get it in centimeters, type it in centimeters right here. And then also type in the weight of each box right here. Once that's done, we're going to click on confirm. Then under goods, we're going to have to type in the value of our shipment. So this is just going to be the price that you have paid to your supplier for manufacturing the product. So let's just type in $2,500. And then we can also type in when our shipment will be ready. So let's say it's ready within 2 weeks. Obviously, just select whatever applies to your situation right here. And then we're going to click on done and click on this arrow right here. Now you're going to be prompted to create an account with FreightOS. So just create your account right here, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Then once you created your account, you're going to get to this screen right here. So for Amazon labeling and palletization, usually you can get your supplier to put all the labels on the boxes, so you can actually turn this off. But make sure you communicate that with your supplier, and if the supplier is not able to do it, you can also have your freight forwarder do it, and then you obviously want to turn this on right here. Then insurance, this is up to you if you want to insure your shipment. I would recommend you do it just so you're covered. And then for customs brokerage and bond, you want to say yes here, I need customs brokerage. That way the freight forwarder will be able to get your products through customs. And then if you do sea shipping, you're also going to need a customs bond. So if you do sea shipping, you want to select yes here as well. If you do air shipping, then you don't need this. So then we can click on confirm services and get results. And then FreightOS is going to generate us the best freight forwarders for our shipment. So here the best one on the top, ranked by best value, is going to be this one right here, which is going to be shipped by sea. It's going to take 54 to 64 days. So this is actually quite long, and it's going to cost us around $1,500. The second best option here would be the express shipping via air, which is going to be 7 to 18 days, and it's going to cost us around $4,000. So as you can see, shipping by air is always going to be more expensive than shipping by sea. You can also sort these results here by quickest or by cheapest. For your first inventory order, you're probably not going to be that concerned with speed. So you probably want to go with one of the cheaper options right here, which is then ocean shipping. So then once you have decided on your provider, you just want to click on select right here. And then we can see a booking summary where once again, we can go over all the details to make sure everything is correct. And then we can click on confirm and book shipment right here. Then here we're going to need to fill in some more information like our company information. We're going to need to upload some documents for the shipment and also tell them where to pick up our shipment and where to drop it off. And then once you complete all these steps, then they will get in contact with you and start getting your shipment to the Amazon warehouse.